Is snacks. Category is snacks. Here we go. Apples or oranges?
Oranges.
Or why?
I love oranges. I love oranges.
Okay. Overnight oats or cooked oats?
Overnight oats.
Same.
Like it?
Yes. It's the best.
Soak in milk.
Yes, me too. Me too.
Stoy goma.
Yeah.
Para kayo compatible pa.
Alam mo naman. Yay! Hindi sinasabi ko.
Yan ang sinasabi ko! Yan ang sinasabi ko!
Mainit na ho. Yan ang sinasabi ko eh. Kaya talaga ho. Tapos, lagyan na pa.
Hard-boiled egg or egg sandwich?
Okay, let's talk about eggs. Hard boiled.
Hard-boiled because
Because it's hard.
it's hard. That's a great answer. Round of applause, everyone. Category for you.
Yes,
We have the different choices.
Tingin mo sa akin ha?
Yogurt or smoothie? Yogurt or smoothie?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Crackers or bread?
Crackers or bread?
Bread. Toasted.
Toasted.
With butter.
Lahat na.
Oh, yes.
Lots of butter.
Lots of butter. And century tuna on top. Oh,
Century, nice na yan.
Yes. What about dark chocolate cake or carrot cake?
Carrot cake.
Oh my gosh, me too.
Oh my God! Sino mas compatible tayo?
Alam mo, bumabaki na kayo.
Grabe eh.
I like this game. And next, we move on to our next category, which is sports. For you first, Richard. Would you prefer basketball or football?
Basketball.
Bagay sa height.
Basketball, yeah.
Yes. Rowing or fencing?
I love fencing.
Fencing.
I've been national athlete for 7 years fencing.
Right.
Yeah.
I'll ask you a little bit more about that later during the Q&A.
Yeah.
And we'll get to Aga next. What are your preferences in sports? We have running or cycling?
Cycling.
Cycling. Golf or swimming?
Golf.
Oh, really?
Oh, again?
No, I was gonna say I swim. But I can't
Golf and cycling.
Our next category is fruits. So, going back to you, Richard. Banana or mango?
Banana.
Bananas. Shake.
Banana shake.
Yes. The more
With
work.
peanut butter.
Yes.
The more calories.
Yes.
Stop it.
How about rambutan or lanzone?
I love rambutan.
Oh,
I
me too.
love it. I love it.
Very good. Very good for the summer. And
Pero shooting namin, yung shoot namin, ng course namin, sino nagpaganda ng soles? Parang isang sako yung inubo ng soles. Sabi ko, huy, nag-shoot tayo? Hayaan mo na. Bukas pa ang epekto na to. Sabi ko, bukas pa ang epekto na to. Oo nga, no. Nakikaya na rin ako.
okay lang, fruits naman.
Isang sako eh.
What about kiwi or avocado for you?
Avocado.
Avocado. Yes, agree. Watermelon or melon?
Watermelon.
Perfect for the summer then.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. I love
Sa
that.
babalan. Yeah.
Agree. Wait, very disciplined. Good
Diba?
job.
Pag-aralan mo na yan, at the end of the day, they're all healthy, but you really need the calorie count talaga.
That's true. And I think we have our final category.
Yeah.
We have drinks.
Drink.
Drinks naman. Water or orange juice?
Water.
Water. Wine or champagne?
I don't drink alcohol.
Ayun, that's an hidden choice.
I take wine anytime.
Wine is good too, yes. Soda or milk tea?
Minty.
Milk tea.
Yeah.
Apple juice or pineapple juice?
Pineapple juice.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. And for you, Aga,
Yes.
we have jasmine tea or green tea?
Green tea.
Green tea. Antioxidants.
Coffee.
Yes. Oh, speaking of iced or hot coffee?
Hot coffee.
Yes.
Lumalayo lang tayo.
Oo nga eh. Matcha or prune juice?
Matcha.
Matcha. Fruit shake or sparkling wine?
Sparkling wine.
Sparkling wine.
Parang fruit shake.
Mas
Oo,
shake.
kasi pagka sparkling wine, red wine na talaga.
Sige, fruit shake na may sparkling wine.
Ayun.
Sama mo na.
Sparkling shake. Na
Sparkling
spice.
shake.
Oo.
Sparkling shake.
May last one pa pala. Last category. We have under the sea.
Yun.
So anything under the sea.
Area.
Ariel, that's your choice. Okay, agree. Mackerel or sardines?
Ano?
Mackerel or sardines?
Mackerel.
Mackerel. Bangus or tilapia?
Bangus.
Bangus. Lapu-lapu or maya-maya?
Maya-maya. I
Ah.
like maya-maya.
And now, century tuna hot and spicy or flakes in oil?
And spicy.
Spicy. Hot and spicy.
You like that also?
I do.
You like it also?
I do. And if you eat spicy stuff, it's better for the metabolism.
Really?
Apparently.
Let's eat more of that.
Let's eat more spicy stuff.
Yes.
Oh, next one. Last
Hey, congressman. Ano ka ba?
Spicy.
Marnaga. We have
Napawisan ko niya ako.
Nating na yung congressman. Dahil lang. Kasi goma.
bangus belly or bangus fillet?
Bangus belly.
Bangus belly. Agree. Galunggong or hasa-hasa?
Galunggong.
Yes, fried, no?
Galunggong. Tsaka yung, meron pang isang galunggong na masarap. Yung nasa palayok.
Paksiw.
Tulingan nga tayo.
Paksiw. Baka.
Tulingan. Di ba ka tulingan galunggong?
Ito na naman ito.
Iba nga.
Wala na maliit.
Balik ako. So, hindi ako.
Pero ano, baka paksiw ng pagkalito.
Paksiw. Paksiw.
Masarap yun.
Sige.
Paksiw, di ba?
Sushi or sashimi?
Sashimi. Sushi rin, minsan. Kasi parang may kanin na.
Oo. Meal na siya, meal.
Yeah.
And finally, century tuna's flakes in oil or with calamansi?
Parang sa pareho na yan. So I'll do flakes in oil. Tapos ako naman dalagal. But flakes, yung calamansi is okay din. But sa plain kasi I cannot calamansi. Pwede lagyan ng konti ng
Oh, diba?
Madami kang magagawa.
Truly, truly versatile. Well, thank you so much, Richard and
Thank you.
Aya.